Vodafone's Magic Box. Check it out after my intro. Welcome everybody, I'm Zilla, back with another video. This time I will be reviewing the broadband battery backup from Vodafone. Spoiler alert, this is a great product and I will tell you why later in the video. Let's start with the unboxing. Sliding the sleeve off reveals the quick start guide, the splitter cable, the power supply, and finally the compact battery backup unit, which is only 10 by 10 by 6.2 centimeters. On the front is a function button, digital display, and USB-C port, and on the back a power in port and an out port. Next is the setup. There's no need to be technically minded, it's simple plug and play. There are two different setups, one without a full fiber connection box, but for this video I'll be setting it up for the full fiber connection box. I should mention this is compatible with most broadband providers and routers. First off, the preparation steps. Unplug the router and ONT, also known as the full fiber connection box or modem, and keep the power plugs in a safe place, just in case you need to reconnect them to the mains in the future. Now let's start with the setup. Step 1. Insert the splitter cable labeled battery backup into the out port, that's the yellow port, on the back of the battery backup unit. Step 2. Insert the end of the splitter cable labeled router/hub into the power port of your router or hub. Step 3. Insert the other end of the splitter cable labeled ONT into the power port of your modem. Step 4. Insert the power cable into the power port on the back of the battery backup unit. And step 5. Plug the wall adapter power supply into the mains wall socket and press the function button on the front of the device, ensuring the light is a solid white. That's it, all done, simple as that. So let's look now how it works. What do the lights mean? If the function button is white, then the battery backup is working normally. If the button is solid green, then the router and modem are being powered by the battery backup due to a power cut. A flashing green button means that it has entered hibernation mode, as there is 25% battery power left, but you can access that by pressing the function button. You will also be alerted with a long beep. Now let's take a look under the function button, the LCD display. When connected to the main power, the battery backup will only display the battery level. 4 bars means fully charged. If the bars are pulsing, that means the unit is charging. When not connected to the mains power, the approximate time until power is fully depleted is shown in hours and minutes. This will obviously change as the battery level drops, and remember that each bar in the battery symbol is 25% of the full capacity. Under the display is a USB-C port, which can be used to charge many different types of electronics like smartphones, earbuds, keyboards, and so on. Let's talk specs now and who this is actually aimed at. It has the ability to power both router and modem simultaneously. It has a long runtime of 7 hours for a 25-watt router or 4 hours for a 55-watt router. It's made of ABS fireproof rated plastic. It has an output current of 3.5 amps, that's maximum, an output voltage of 12 volts maximum, a capacity of 56 watt hours, which is via 6 times 2600 milliamp hour lithium ion batteries. The power button has red, green, blue and white LEDs. It's fully certified in the UK and EU markets and is portable due to its compact size. Some of you may be wondering, who is this aimed at? Well, households of landline dependent individuals such as the elderly, vulnerable individuals, etc. People who rely on emergency services, remote workers and professionals needing uninterrupted connectivity, families and individuals in areas prone to power outages, and of course, like me, tech enthusiasts. It is suitable for homes, offices and businesses covering all bases. Vodafone will be issuing the device free of charge to all landline dependent customers. The device will be available for £150 for everyone else and is available on the Vodafone accessories site. The link is in the description below. Personally, I've been finding it an essential part of my desk setup and daily life. It's a product that I never knew I needed, and I highly recommend it to everyone with broadband. As always, give me a thumbs up, share my video, and smash that subscribe button. Until next time, take care and peace.